The science behind shine has been revealed. This discovery is the reason cars around the world suffer from dull-looking paint, rife with swirl and scratch marks. Henry Ford began this discovery in the early 1900s when he found that traditional paint took far too long to apply, holding up the assembly line in his car production. He helped invent a resin layer that could be applied in a few hours instead of days. Fast forward to 1957, when Dr. George Brewer at Ford Motors stumbled across a new innovation in automotive coating technology. This set in motion decades of research and development, and, in the late 1980s, the first modern clear coat was invented. A clear coat is a new-age polymer layer that sits atop your car's surface, protecting it from the elements. However, the clear coat is not indestructible. With everyday wear and tear, the clear coat can quickly break down. On most modern cars, this is the cause of premature damage, including dull-looking paint, ugly swirl marks, and pesky water spots. Every day, your car's clear coat is bombarded with elements like rain, snow, bug guts, and bird droppings. After years of this, your car's clear coat becomes extremely porous, and these pores show up as dramatic swirl marks and scratches. This results in a dull appearance as the light gets trapped in these jagged pores. Daniel Sweeney is the leading certified detailer from Orlando, Florida, and a member of the world-renowned International Detailers Association. He's a regular VIP guest at the SEMA Automotive Trade Show. For the past 5 years, he's been successfully helping car owners defy their car's aging process. The good news is, car exteriors can now be treated with simple formulas that prevent the effects of clear coat damage and jagged surfaces pores. Today, viewers will discover how blocking this damage may be a powerful way to help prevent and reduce the appearance of swirl marks once and for all. I'd be lying if I said I didn't get frustrated about my car's constant maintenance sometimes. As a professional detailer, the pressure to deliver a showroom shine and durable protection for my clients' cars, my friends' cars, and most importantly my car, is always there. Seeing what the effects of clear coat damage can do to otherwise beautiful cars inspired me to set off on this journey to discover an answer. A few years ago, we stumbled across some studies from NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. They found that their engine components were prone to decaying when exposed to extreme heat. These components are state-of-the-art and work great at lower temperatures, but when they reach their thermal limits, they can quickly erode. As temperatures rise, the presence of water vapor from humidity can quickly oxidize an engine rotor, potentially leading to disaster. They began to develop high-tech nano coatings to coat their engine components and protect them from erosion. Executives at NASA have been quoted as calling this game-changing technology and new grounds for innovation. Car owners can know for sure if they have damage to their clear coat. You can run your hand over the surface and feel the grainy, sandy texture. Or you might be able to see visible swirl marks throughout your paint, which gives it that dull, faded look. These are signs that your clear coat may have deep, jagged pores from years of damage from the elements. Thanks to a very recent discovery, preventing swirl marks and restoring that showroom shine is easier than we realize, all thanks to a natural compound called silicon dioxide, or silica. It was almost by accident that we came across the research on this odd little compound. I was researching a solution for clear coat damage on my car's surface when I came across the NASA research. Experts found that silicon dioxide could protect almost any surface, including the car's paint, from erosion, a wonderful side benefit of the research that they were doing. You see, when the silica is suspended in a liquid solution, these tiny compounds actually fill in the cracks in your clear coat. Once they dry, you'll have a flat glass-like layer that fills in your jagged pores and sits cleanly atop your car's surface. This is called a ceramic coating. The first thing you'll notice is that dull-looking paint is restored, and swirl marks are much less obvious. This is because the light is not getting caught in these jagged pores and is reflecting off the flat surface, instantly restoring your showroom shine. You'll also notice that when water hits your car, it will bead up and roll off effortlessly. It won't soak in and spread on your surface, causing those nasty water spots. Bird droppings won't stick to the surface, so you can easily wipe them off with a paper towel. Bug guts won't cake on, leaving nasty residue that can crystallize. Instead, they'll slide right off. During the winter, snow and ice won't stick to your windows and hood. Say goodbye to those terrible ice scrapers. The nano-infused ceramic coating will protect your vehicle for months to years, and it will look even better than when you drove it off the lot. The issue is the automotive industry doesn't provide many options. Most detailing products are either simple carnauba waxes, which can quickly break down when exposed to the sun, and we found that most products claiming to be ceramic-based just have trace amounts of silica in them, so they don't provide anything close to a true ceramic coating. And professional details are no help either. They can charge upwards of $3,000 to apply a ceramic coating, which takes them just a couple hours. And applying a professional ceramic coating yourself is very difficult. You'll have to apply it very carefully. And if you mess up, you might have an uneven coating. This can result in high spots or visible raised patches in your car's surface. We've partnered with a renowned team of chemists and blenders to create an innovative new product. We call it Ceramic Shine. It combines the technology of a professional ceramic coating with the easy application of a quick detailer. The key to this is our Cure Time technology. We figured out how to suspend a large amount of silicon dioxide particles in a liquid formula. When you spray this on your car's surface, the microscopic silica particles are still wet, so you have plenty of time to work them into your car's surface. Once you've applied and buffed it in, it will slowly cure or dry, which will create that glass-like ceramic coating, protecting your clear coat and jagged pores from further damage and instantly restoring that high-gloss showroom shine. Our first formula was promising, but not perfect. We knew we could do better with some refinements. Our second formula was a home run. Our results far exceeded all expectations, and our car owners were absolutely thrilled with their results. We've developed this new formulation to target jagged pores in the clear coat. The result? Our customers' cars look 5, 10, even 20 years newer, depending on the age of the car. So, without further ado, I'd like to introduce Ceramic Shine from Torque Detail. It's already helped thousands of car owners enjoy improved shine and protection that they never thought would be possible without expensive professional coatings. The car's surface has that wet, high-gloss appearance and feels smooth to the touch. And the protective results they experience over the first few weeks can hold up for months and even years. Words cannot describe how rewarding it is to hear from so many car owners how Ceramic Shine has helped take years off their car's appearance and look even better than when they drove it off the lot. I insisted on using the product myself on my own cars. I used Torque Detail's Ceramic Shine as soon as we finished formulating it. It took me less than 30 minutes to apply, and I was stunned by the transformation I personally saw on my cars. My Corvette hasn't looked this great in years. Ever since we created this formula, the word has been quickly spreading. Demand has exploded. So what does this all mean? Could Torque Detail Ceramic Shine help other people's cars look as incredible as mine? Can this really work for any car? We had to find out. We gave it to 2018 Silverado owner Matt Thomas. Here's what he had to say.
This is Matt Thomas. This is my brand new 2018 Silverado 1500. Wouldn't even let him wash it. Brought it home, cleaned it, used Torque on here. Fantastic product. Easy to use, gives you more of a real wax feel when you're applying it, and as you can see, the results are just amazing. Clear as a crystal. Anyway, that's my ride with some Torque put to her. Great product you got. Thanks.
Now that we know that the dull, crusty-looking paint and ugly scratch marks are the result of deep pores in the car's clear coat, and we see firsthand how thousands of car owners are already raving about this innovative breakthrough, and the science confirms that Torque Detail Ceramic Shine is one of the few options on the market that directly addresses this problem. Let me ask a question. If the average car owner got a wash and wax today, what would their car look like a month from today? Let's be as honest as possible, because if they don't get their hands on Torque Detail Ceramic Shine today, nothing will change for them. In fact, their car surface will keep looking duller and taking more damage with each day that goes by. New scratches and swirl marks will appear, many in places they've never noticed them before. The paint on the hood of the car will look a little duller each day, and their otherwise beautiful cars will turn fewer heads every year. Yet it doesn't have to be this way. With our help, car owners can fight back and reverse up to 20 years of damage, turning the heads of neighbors, friends, and family, and restoring that pearlescent showroom shine. All this from simply taking advantage of the nanotechnology inside Torque Detail's Ceramic Shine formula. And here's some great news. Because viewers that watch this far have proven they're committed to restoring their car's showroom appearance, we've reserved 199 bottles of our latest formulation just for those special viewers. But we must act now before Torque Detail runs out of stock. Torque Detail Ceramic Shine is so powerful and so effective that word has already gotten out. Car owners across America are discovering this incredible formula for themselves, and they are ordering 5 or more bottles at a time. That way, they don't just protect their car for the short term, but they keep preventing harmful contaminants from damaging their clear coat month after month. It sounds kind of crazy, but it makes sense, especially because there is just so much research when it comes to the ingredients inside Torque Detail Ceramic Shine. The more frequently it's used, the more the surface is protected and the longer that brilliant showroom shine is maintained. It's so empowering to see my fellow car owners stepping up and taking control of their car's protection and appearance. But of course, with so many car owners choosing to order multiple bottles of Torque Detail Ceramic Shine, this means that demand sometimes outpaces supply. And Torque Detail is always at risk of running out of bottles, which means car owners are forced to wait up to 3 months until our next batch is produced. I'd hate that to happen. Imagine finally being able to get rid of unwanted scratches like a professional detailer, but then when they come back to this website to get their next 6-month supply, they see a big message at the top right corner that says, "Out of stock." It's not even worth risking. So I've spoken with Torque Detail, and they've promised to save the next batch for folks who order through this video. The first 199 people who order today will be able to reserve up to 5 bottles of Torque Detail's Ceramic Shine, assuming there's no out of stock anywhere on this page. And the great news is, the more bottles of Ceramic Shine viewers decide to invest in right now, the more they save. Look, while Ceramic Shine has a suggested retail price of $59, which is an absolute steal in its own right, on this website only, car owners are now able to order bundles of 3 bottles or 5 bottles for a massive discount. This means if you buy 2 bottles, you'll get 1 more for free. And if you buy 3 bottles, you get 2 more for free. Though I urge car owners to be quick, as this will sell out. Our team at Torque Detail will get your order of Ceramic Shine in the mail as soon as the order is confirmed. It usually takes just 3 to 5 business days to arrive. When the delivery man knocks on the door, rip the package open and try it out immediately. Just spray the product onto your car's surface and use a microfiber towel to work the product in. The tiny nanoparticles will instantly create a high-gloss shine and reduce the appearance of scratch and swirl marks. And most car owners are absolutely hooked after their first try. Friends, colleagues, and family members will beg them to share one of their bottles with them. They won't believe that a car that's been driven for years could have a glass-like shine that looks even better than a brand new car. Men who live in college towns might be surprised to find younger women turning heads to watch them driving by. Of course, I'd never date a young woman, but it's a nice compliment. Yet any car owner who's not 100% amazed, then I will personally guarantee that Torque Detail will offer a 100% money-back guarantee. We won't even ask why. Simply put, our customers only pay if they're totally convinced it works. Sound good? Then order Torque Detail Ceramic Shine by choosing from the 5-bottle, 3-bottle, or 1-bottle options that you see on the next page. Just click on the package that's right, then review everything on the next page. Car owners risk nothing to try the Ceramic Shine formula today, yet their car could look better than ever before. Look, I'm convinced any car owner is going to see jaw-dropping results as soon as they apply it. In fact, our thousands of 5-star reviews are living proof of it. We won't enroll anyone in an automatic billing subscription. They're totally covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, click the button below to claim some of the few bottles we have left, courtesy of Torque Detail Ceramic Shine. Thanks for watching.